Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you how to create organic Turkish Pide bread so we can make a delicious smoked mixed kebab with lamb and chicken. So check out my other video where I smoke chicken and lamb for the kebab bread, or you can put eggs and bacon or anything your creative mind thinks of. Ingredients are 500 grams white baker's flour unbleached, 7 to 10 grams dried baker's yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I use monk fruit sweetener baker's icing sugar mix, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup warm water, 3/4 of a cup unhomogenized full fat milk, a 1/4 cup olive oil, half to grease the mixing bowl and the other half for spreading on the bread with the egg yolk, black and white sesame seeds and 1 egg yolk. Step 1. In your dough mixer bowl, sift the flour, yeast, salt and sugar. Then make a well in the center and pour the milk in. Then onto the dough mixer with the dough hook. On low speed, add the water until combined. The mix should be soft and feel sticky. Step 2. On a lightly floured surface, place the dough, coating it in flour, then knead with the tips of your fingers until it's elastic and combined. Step 3. Coat your mixing bowl with half the olive oil, then put the other half aside for the end. Place the dough in the center, greasing it all with olive oil, then cover with a sheet of cling wrap. Then cover it with a sheet of cling wrap lightly. You want to give it enough space to expand, so not too tight. Then cover with a tea towel and leave for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. Step 4. Grab a baking tray, place baking paper, scrunch it up if it doesn't sit right, lightly flour it, then place the dough on it. Cut it in half, then flatten it gently with your hands, then cover it with a tea towel, not on it directly, as it will further expand. Leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Step 5. Separate the two pieces, then stretch each one on its own baking paper and set aside without covering for 10 minutes. Then scramble the egg yolk with the remaining olive oil, then spread on the pide with a kitchen brush, then sprinkle with sesame seeds and preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Step 6. Bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, checking on it so it doesn't overcook. You'll know when it's ready when the yolk spread makes it a golden brown color. Once on the cooling rack, it will continue to cook a little bit more, so don't worry. And there you have an authentic Turkish Pide bread combined with smoked meats from my other video. This becomes the ultimate organic healthy kebab. Enjoy! Be seeing you in Mike's Organic Cafe, where we transform recipes from all over the world, making them healthy and nutritious.